Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really festive looking Christmas tree just out of a few bits of scrap wood. So for this project I'm going to be using a few bits of scrap. I have a piece of scaffold board, a pallet wood block and a piece of broom handle. I started off by measuring a section of scaffold board which is 28 centimeters tall by 22 wide, and I'm using a speed square to mark the line. I then worked out the center point at the top and then drew lines down towards the edges. So once I had my triangular shape, I wanted to break this down into about 3 sections. So I'm measuring up 7 centimeters for each section and drawing a straight line. So now I'm marking up 1 centimeter inwards on each of these crosses. And I then drew a line down towards the outer part of the section below, and that will give me the general shape of a Christmas tree. So then I just cut off this section from the rest of the scaffold board. Now it was time to cut out this shape with the jigsaw, and because the scaffold board was quite thick I just went nice and slowly here, took my time and followed the lines. I then gave it all a hand sanding. I then cut down the broom handle and for the pallet wood block, this would be the base. I'm just finding a center point and marking that up. And I did the same on the bottom of the Christmas tree. And to make these holes for the dowels, I'm using a Forstner bit, which is the exact same diameter as the broom handle. So now for the base, I just went around it with my router and rounded over all the edges. I then gave the base a quick sanding. Now it was time to glue the dowel or broom handle, which will be the trunk of the tree, into the base. So here I'm just adding plenty of glue in the hole and around the bottom of the broom handle. And that was tapped in with a hammer. And the same with the Christmas tree. So then it was time to paint the tree, and all the paints that I'm using here are water based. So I started off with a nice dark green. And for the trunk I used a brown paint. For the base I used some metallic copper coloured paint. And then I went over the trunk with some black glitter glue, and for the Christmas tree itself I used some gold glitter glue, and I built this up and gave it 3 coats.
So that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. As always, thank you very much for watching. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.